Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lily and today we're doing an experiment. The experiment today is going to be a volcano. But before you do anything, safety first. First we start with our goggles. Next, our apron, because we don't want to get our clothes dirty. And last but not least, gloves, so we don't get our hands dirty. The most important thing is your parents, because they want to help you, because you don't want to mess it up. Okay kids, first go get a soda bottle. Don't forget to do it outside. You don't want to mess up anything in your house. First you need a handy dandy measuring cup and some cold water, 100 ml. Pour it in the bottle. That's all. Now you need 400 ml of vinegar. And stop. Now you have to pour it in the bottle. Make sure to keep your eyes on it so it doesn't get on your hand. Hey guys, you need a half a tablespoon dishwasher. It looks like eggs, doesn't it? Now you need baking soda, a cup, and some water. Put some baking soda half. And the water goes rest in the cup. Last but not least, the finale. Pour the baking soda and water in.